Hello, my friend. Let me ask you a very important question. When you speak English, do you think in your language first, then translate in your head, then speak? If yes, you are not alone. Most English learners do this. And today, I will help you change that, because translating in your head is the biggest enemy of confidence. Today, you will learn how to stop translating and start thinking in simple English. Slowly, calmly, without stress. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and let's begin. Introduction. Welcome back to Daily Dose of English. I'm Tom, and I'm very happy you are here today. In this lesson, I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. I will repeat ideas, so you can understand everything, and you can practice with me. Today's topic is very important because it changes the way you speak English forever. Why translating is a problem. Let's talk honestly. When you translate in your head, your brain works too hard. First your language, then English, then grammar, then pronunciation. This is too much. Your brain feels tired, your mouth feels slow, and your confidence goes down. That's why you feel stuck. That's why you feel shy. That's why you feel nervous. But listen carefully. You don't need to think in perfect English. You don't need big words. You don't need long sentences. You need simple English. Important truth. Here is an important truth. Children do not translate. They think in simple ideas. I want water. I am tired. I like this. This is how language works. Simple thoughts, simple sentences. And today, you will start doing the same. New rule. Very important. From today, remember this rule. No translating. Simple thinking. Not fast English, not perfect English. Simple English. Say this with me. I don't need perfect English. I need clear English. Again. I don't need perfect English. I need clear English. Very good. Step 1. Think in short sentences. Now, let's practice. I will say a sentence, you listen, then you repeat. I am here. I am learning English. I feel calm. Good. Short sentences help your brain relax. When your brain is relaxed, your confidence grows. Common mistake. Many learners think, I must speak fast. I must speak like a native. I must be perfect. No, this thinking destroys confidence. Instead, think like this. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I speak simply. Say it with me. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I speak simply. Excellent. Step 2. Think about what you see. Now, let's do a very powerful exercise. Look around you. What do you see? Maybe you see a chair, a table, a phone, a window.
Now think in English. I see a chair. I see a table. I see my phone. Very good. This is thinking in English. No translating, only seeing and saying. Step 3. Think about your action. Right now. I am listening. I am sitting. I am learning. Perfect. These sentences are small, but they are powerful because they train your brain to think directly in English. Important reminder. If your brain goes back to Arabic, it's okay. Don't fight your brain. Just bring it back. Arabic, stop, English. Slowly, patiently. Confidence grows with patience. Mini shadowing practice. Now let's do shadowing. Listen and repeat after me. I am learning English every day. I am not perfect, but I am improving. I feel more confident now. Again. I am learning English every day. Excellent. Mental shift. From today, change this sentence in your mind. My English is bad. Change it to, my English is growing. Say it. My English is growing. Again. My English is growing. Very good. Slow thinking is good thinking. Remember this. Slow English is good English. Simple English is strong English. Fast English can wait. Confidence comes first. End of part 1. Soft pause. In the next part, we will practice thinking in English with daily life situations. Very simple, very practical, very powerful. For now, relax. You did a great job. Take a deep breath, smile, and be proud of yourself. You are learning, and that is enough.
Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. In part 1, you learned something very important. You learned that you don't need perfect English. 2, we will practice. Not theory, practice. Daily exercises, real-life situations. Simple, clear, powerful. Let's begin. Daily exercise 1. Morning thinking, 5 minutes. Imagine it is morning. You wake up. You open your eyes. Now think in English. Listen and repeat. I am awake. Pause. It is morning. Pause. I feel sleepy. Pause. I am getting up. Pause. Very good. Now add one sentence. Today I will practice English. Pause. Again. Today I will practice English. Pause. This is how you start your day, not with stress, with simple English. Important tip. Do not translate. Do not think about grammar. Just think and speak. Daily exercise 2. What am I doing? 5 minutes. Now, during the day, you are doing something. Maybe you are working. Maybe you are studying. Maybe you are cooking. Think in English. I am working. Pause. I am studying. Pause. I am cooking. Pause. Good. Now add feeling. I feel tired. Pause. I feel good. Pause. I feel focused. Pause. Perfect. This exercise trains your brain to think in English naturally. Real life situation 1. At home. Now imagine this situation. You are at home. Look around. Listen and repeat. I am at home. Pause. I am in my room. Pause. The room is quiet. Pause. I like this place. Pause. Good. Now speak with me. I am cleaning my room. Pause. I am watching a video. Pause. I am learning English. Pause. Excellent. This is real-life English. Real-life situation 2. Outside, in the street. Now imagine you are outside. You are walking. Think in English. I am outside. Pause. I am walking. Pause. I see people. Pause. I hear cars. Pause. Very good. Now add one more sentence. I feel relaxed. Pause. Or I feel busy. Pause. Both are correct.
Daily exercise 3. 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Talk to yourself. I will help you. Repeat after me. I am walking now. I am listening to English. I want to improve. I am not perfect, but I am learning. Pause. Again, slowly. I am walking now. I am listening to English. I want to improve. I am not perfect, but I am learning. Excellent. This builds confidence. Real-life situation 3. Shop. Store. Now, imagine you are in a shop. You want to buy something. Think simply. I am in the shop. I want this. How much is this? Thank you. Very good. You don't need long sentences. Communication is enough. Mental practice. Stop negative thoughts. Now, listen carefully. Sometimes your brain says, "My English is bad." Stop. Change it. Say, "My English is getting better." Repeat. My English is getting better. Pause. Again. My English is getting better. Pause. Very good. Real-life situation 4. Talking to a person. Now, imagine you speak to someone. Simple conversation. Hello. Pause. How are you? Pause. I am fine. Pause. I am learning English. Pause. Nice to meet you. Pause. Perfect. Confidence comes from trying, not from perfection. Short shadowing practice. Now, let's do shadowing. Listen. Repeat. I can speak simple English. Pause. I don't need to be perfect. Pause. I am becoming more confident. Pause. Again. I am becoming more confident. Pause. Excellent. Daily exercise 4. Night thinking 3 minutes. At night. Before sleep. Think in English. Today was good. I practiced English. I am proud of myself. This is very important. Confidence grows when you see your progress. End of Part 2. Soft closing. You are doing great. Thinking in English is becoming easier. Slowly. Day by day. In Part 3, we will go deeper. More shadowing. More speaking. More confidence. For now, relax. Take a deep breath. You are learning. You are growing. And that is enough.
My friend, remember this. You don't need perfect English. You need courage. You need consistency. You need small steps every day. Every time you think in English, even one sentence, you are training your brain. Every time you speak, even slowly, you are becoming stronger. Do not wait to feel confident. Confidence comes after practice. Make mistakes. Smile. Keep going. One day, you will speak English without fear, without stress, without translating. And you will say, I did it. I believe in you. Now believe in yourself.